So one of the big debates on the Sports Explosion radio show makes it onto sports commentary this evening. How good is the current Reggae Boys team? Are they in the same class as the teams like Aruba and Guyana and Antigua-Barbuda, who will be having to fight for points in the ongoing Nations League? Or Jamaica bigger and better than that? I think we're better than that. Make what you want of it. But we are ranked at number 47 on the FIFA ranking. That don't mean we are the 47th best team in the world. But I bet you there is no other team in that top 50 tussling with teams ranked at 162, 163, and 195. And regardless of the overall objective of the Nations League, it is not helping the development of the Jamaican team. Our players not developing or learning anything from playing these teams except team chemistry. But technically, these teams are pulling us down to their level. And look, Jamaica is no France or Brazil or Germany. And we don't play the most fluent and attractive football. But give Tapa Whitmore his due. The man been getting enough results to see Jamaica break into the FIFA top 50. And I don't know about anybody else, but it is very sad and indeed very depressing to see Jamaica in a dog fight with Guyana and Antigua and Aruba over 3 points. We passed that stage in the football. And it is this political program called the CONCACAF Nations League that is causing us this pain. Yes. Yes. We want justice.
Sports commentary brought to you by